2014 Toyota Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, Bluetooth, electronic stability control, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, day and night rear view mirror, tilt steering wheel, engine immobilizer, splash guards, tinted glass, black door handles, low tire pressure warning, power rear window sunshade, 4-piece floor mat set. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.